How to stop sharing your location so that the people you are sharing your location with on your iPhone do not realize that you are going to stop sharing your location. This is quite simple and easy. We just need to find the Settings app, which is the one that appears over here. We will enter there directly, and we will see all these options. Once we are in the Settings section, we will scroll down a bit more and find the option called Privacy and Security, which has an icon of a hand. When we enter there, we will see all these options, and here we will find Location, Services. We will click right on it, and in the first section, we will see Location, Services. This will automatically disable the location for all services of all applications and all system services that we see here, such as Find My iPhone and several other options, including Share My Location, which appears here. So what you can do is directly disable the option where it says Location, Services, and you will automatically stop sending your real-time location to anyone you are sharing your location with. This will not trigger any notifications or anything like that, but it will also disable the location for all applications on your mobile phone. If you do not want to do this specifically, you can go directly, redundantly, to the application for which you want to disable that location. So, for this occasion, we go to where it says System Service and we will enter there. And where it says Share My Location, we will disable it, and automatically anyone we are sharing our location with will stop seeing it. You may receive a notification that our location can no longer be accessed or that it hasn't been updated recently, but it will not directly indicate that we disabled the location so that person could no longer see it. Rather that the phone simply does not have access to our location. And we could say that perhaps we do not have internet, we do not have data, and in this way, we can prevent people from being notified when we are in different places.